welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing effects for Google Meet. Not really these stuff right here, but we can start off our day with that. So, yeah, it freezes when I do that. Then another effect. Or I can flip myself upside down. Hi! So this extension is actually if you go to Web Store and you search up effects for Google Meet. And now moving on to the backgrounds and stuff. So here's the backgrounds. Change background. Well, you have to click these three dots down here if you see more options. So there's this one if you want a custom one from this plus. You have to just click it. Or you can blur your background or extra blur it. Now there's a forest, like you can upload it to, that's not an uploaded one, but this one you can just get from here, right on the sidebar. And there's this one. Next one I found really nice. Yep. And along with that, there's also this one. And a lot of these ones down here with flowers and confetti. Like this one in paradise. It pretends like you're in paradise. Really. So that was the ending of it. In case you want to turn it off, you do this to add this. Then you just choose a file tab such as this. And then you have it, and if you want to turn that off, also the same thing. So now, we're going to do this. Contrast. Add it. Do this. Oh, what was that? Nope. Okay, this is better. And this extension is, no. This extension is virtual effects for Google Meet. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye. Okay. We'll be done with it now. Oh, not custom cursor. But, yeah, we can spend some time on that too. Okay, this is a weird cursor. But our favorite is this and this. They're cute. This little koala, he's cute. Goodbye. Now I'm going to end it from right here.